You spend $100 with the credit card, but the store doesn't simply receive your $100. Your payment travels through a network involving your bank, the card network, and the merchant's payment processor. First, your card issuer approves the transaction, then the payment information moves through the card network, like Visa or MasterCard, to the merchant's bank. But the merchant usually doesn't receive the full $100. A small portion can be taken through payment processing fees, which are divided among different companies involved in the transaction. And here's the part most people don't realize. Your credit card company can earn money from more than just your purchases, including interest when you carry a balance, plus certain fees. So that simple $100 purchase isn't just a payment. It's a financial system moving money between multiple businesses. And that's why your credit card can give you rewards while companies in the system still make money. Follow the money, because next, we're breaking down who actually pays for your cashback